Hello, this is the third episode of our cycle converting from UIKit to SwiftUI views. As you can see, there is several problems. When you actually have different color scheme like light and dark, there is like black lines on the screen, and we should fix it. So let's have navigation view here, and we'll have that stack. Okay, color white, ignore safe area. And we require to choose preferred color scheme of our application to fix status bar. Now when we change a scheme from light to dark, nothing happens. So I also create this repository to continue work on this project. The link is in the description. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.